Hey there, green thumbs and gardening enthusiasts. Are you tired of the same old routine in your garden? Want to take your gardening game to a whole new level? Well, today we have something special in store for you. Imagine having a garden that practically takes care of itself, where innovative inventions and gadgets do the hard work, so you can sit back, relax, and enjoy the fruits of your labor. That's right. In today's video, we're unveiling the top 10 must-have garden inventions and gadgets that will revolutionize the way you garden. So, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an episode filled with innovation. Let's dive in. Let's talk about a practical solution for those clogged gutters during autumn. Say hello to this German invention designed to make gutter cleaning easier. Priced at $105, this handy tool consists of two parts, a brush and scraper attachment, along with a height-adjustable handle that extends up to approximately 5.5 meters. It can also be used with other heads from the same manufacturer, thanks to the multi-star system. With the WOLF-Garten, you not only get a gutter cleaning solution but a versatile gardening arsenal. In fact, when you purchase the full set, you'll receive 15 handles and over 70 instruments for various gardening tasks, all covered by a 35-year warranty. Weighing just 2.5 kilograms and designed to be operated with one hand, this chainsaw is perfect for cutting plywood and branches up to 11.5 centimeters thick. It offers the flexibility and maneuverability you need for efficient and precise cutting. The 230W brushless motor sets it apart from the competition, delivering excellent cutting performance while keeping the cutting temperature and noise levels to a minimum. No more hassle with tangled cords or dealing with awkward gas chainsaws. The Sunjo chainsaw provides the freedom and ease of use that cordless technology offers. Plus, the interchangeable batteries can be used with over 100 other tools from the same brand, giving you versatility and cost-effective options. With a runtime of up to 45 minutes at maximum capacity, speed control, and an engine as powerful and quiet as a 50 cubic centimeters gasoline engine, the Makita blower delivers exceptional results. Safety and convenience are paramount, and Makita has you covered. The blower features overload protection to safeguard against excessive strain, and it even includes cruise control for added ease of use. With handles on both the left and right sides, along with adjustable height settings, you can find the perfect grip for your comfort and control. One notable advantage of the Makita is its ergonomic design. By placing the battery at the back, the user's arms experience less fatigue during prolonged use. Get ready to witness a groundbreaking water supply, storage, and ring system. The H2O Wise comes in two variants to suit your specific needs. The smaller version, measuring 51 centimeters in diameter, offers a flow rate of 38 liters per hour. For larger scale requirements, the larger version, measuring 63.5 centimeters in diameter, provides a higher flow rate of 57 liters per hour. These rings are constructed from recycled plastic and feature 45 teeth for secure installation. One of the remarkable benefits is its ability to collect and store rainwater, effectively preventing soil erosion and conserving water resources. By utilizing this system, you not only save water but also contribute to sustainable environmental practices. This innovative system allows you to effortlessly water up to 6 different sections of your garden, all controlled by a mini computer and customized to your preferences. With the GARDENA automatic water distributor, the possibilities are endless. You have the flexibility to make weather-dependent adjustments to the watering duration in increments of 10%. It can also be seamlessly integrated with soil moisture sensors, ensuring that your plants receive the right amount of water based on their needs. Setting the watering schedules is a breeze. You can choose from a range of start times, from as short as 1 minute to as long as 4 hours, with the ability to create up to 6 different schedules. What's more, if the soil moisture level is already sufficient, the watering cycle won't start, saving water and promoting efficient resource usage. Have you ever encountered the challenge of grass growing in hard-to-reach areas? Then you need this. A cordless trimmer equipped with a double blade system, designed to tackle those tricky areas with ease. This trimmer is perfect for maintaining the cleanliness of golf courses and offers a remarkable runtime of 60 to 90 minutes on a single charge. The trimmer is compatible with batteries from any tool utilizing the Bosch 18V power for all system, ensuring you have flexibility and convenience when it comes to power sources. Featuring a cutting width of 25 cm and an adjustable handle angle, the GLORIA FineCut allows for precise trimming even in tight spots. Shovels have long been a staple tool for various tasks, but the Sifter shovel takes functionality to a whole new level. With a blade measuring 14 by 17 cm and a comfortable 69 cm handle, it provides the perfect balance between size and maneuverability. Weighing in at 1.8 kilograms, it offers a sturdy and reliable construction. What sets the Sifter shovel apart is its sifting feature. As you dig and move soil or other materials, this shovel allows you to sift and separate debris, rocks, and other unwanted elements, providing you with clean and refined results. With the Rotoshovel, you can effortlessly and swiftly dig holes up to 48 cm deep, 10 cm wide, and 10 cm in diameter. This 7-kilogram powerhouse is designed to make your digging tasks easier and more efficient than ever before. The motor automatically shuts off if it encounters a stone, preventing any potential damage or accidents. And if the auger gets blocked, the reverse function comes to the rescue, allowing you to free it with ease. With a single charge, it provides several hours of continuous work, ensuring that you can tackle your projects without interruption. Battery replacement is a breeze, and with a quick 2-hour recharge, you'll be ready to go in no time. Imagine a combination of luggage and a hose reel. That's what the Fiskars brings to the table. With its convenient wheels, dedicated space for accessories, and telescoping handle, transporting and storing this system is a breeze. What sets this apart is its washer-like shape, which ensures stability and prevents it from toppling over during use. Say goodbye to tangled hoses thanks to its 360-degree rotation feature, keeping your watering experience smooth and hassle-free. When it comes to tending to your garden, the GARDENA hand cultivator is a versatile tool that can handle multiple tasks with ease. Whether you need to break up compacted soil, loosen the ground, or tackle those pesky weeds, this cultivator has got you covered. With a generous 14 cm operating width, this tool allows you to cover a significant area in one go. Its 150 cm long handle provides comfortable leverage and control, making your gardening experience more enjoyable. What sets this cultivator apart is its user-friendly design. The optional weed control frame can be easily removed, giving you the flexibility to adapt to different gardening needs. The 4 uniquely designed, galvanized starry wheels ensure smooth and efficient operation. These 10 must-have garden inventions and gadgets have the power to transform your gardening experience. We've covered a range of innovative tools, but we're curious, which one stood out to you the most? Drop a comment below and let us know. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this. Happy gardening!